magic boat. Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Chang, a name which means honest. He lived with his mother and a white cat. Every day he used to go to the forest and cut firewood for his mother. One day, while he was chopping the wood, he saw an old man falling from a single log bridge into the river. Chang rushed to save the old man. The old man was impressed with Chang's bravery and unselfishness and gave him a small dragon boat. Then the old man said, "Grow bigger, grow bigger." Suddenly, the small boat turned into a large boat. When he said, grow smaller, the boat became a toy. The old man left Chang with the toy boat and told him, "Whenever you need help, look at the east and call, 'Grandfather, grandfather.'" Then the old man disappeared. The rain. Now came the rainy season. It rained continuously for 10 days and 10 nights. The water began to rise. Chang took out his boat and he uttered the magic words told by the old man. It turned into a big boat that he, his mother, and the cat could board. As they sailed on the rising waters, they found an ant, a bee, and a crane that were being drowned. Chang saved each of them. After a few hours, they came across a man who was struggling in the water. They saved him as well. The man's name was Ying, which means tricky. Once aboard the boat, he refused to help others. He stretched out on the deck and started giving orders to the others. When the rain stopped and the water level started decreasing, Chang returned to his village and said the magic words. The boat changed into a toy. Ying saw this and wanted this magic boat. The search. Chang's house had been destroyed in the flood. He started rebuilding his house. His mother, the cat, and the other animals helped Chang. Ying suggested, "Chang, you should give the magic boat to the emperor. The emperor will give you a lot of money for it. You can use that money to rebuild your house." Chang trusted Ying and gave the magic boat to him to give it to the emperor. Time passed and Ying did not return. Chang went in search for Ying and the boat. He searched for him for many days. One day he heard a large procession coming and it was announced that the Prime Minister was approaching. The Prime Minister was none other than Ying. Chang was furious at Ying for stealing his boat, and Ying was fearful of Chang. Because he knew that he had cheated Chang, Ying got Chang arrested. The wish. Chang did not return home for many days. The animals were worried for him and went searching for him. They found him hungry, dirty, and injured. They decided to tell the truth to the emperor. It was announced that the emperor's daughter was ill and anyone who could cure her would be granted one wish. Chang disguised himself as a doctor and went to the palace. He went and sat near Ying. Chang cured the emperor's daughter. The emperor was very happy and asked Chang his wish. His wish was the return of his magic boat. The emperor said to Chang, "Prove that the boat was yours." Chang looked towards the east and called out, "Grandfather, grandfather." The old man appeared, riding a golden phoenix. He told the emperor that he had given the boat to Chang. Then the old man turned Ying into an old grey wolf and the emperor into a big wild pig. Chang got his boat and returned home with his friends.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.